Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm really excited to announce with you that we are teaming up with Badgeskins yet again for another set of vinyls to throw in the car. I'm really excited. As you guys know, I had the Badgeskins on the Golf R and I ran with like the reflector delete. It just, oh my God, it really did help kind of pizzazz up the car and really personalize it to my own liking. So today we have a few things we're gonna toss on the car and I'm really excited to reveal what they are. One of the things I actually want to address as well is this is take two. I ended up doing a partial installation on the rear until I realized the camera was not recording. So I'm redoing it. I decided to throw in the towel the other day, but hey, it's a new day and I'm ready for a new one. So hopefully this ends up working out. I can tell you right now, the camera is recording. We're live, and we're gonna toss on some Badgeskins. I'm really excited to kind of see how they wake up the car. And without further ado, let's get to it. As you might be able to see, guys, we've already addressed this reflector, and holy crap, it looks so much better with it being black. If we go over to the other side, we have the red. It just doesn't look so great. I mean, again, we have the red taillight, sure, fine, but that needs to be black. So we're gonna address that. We've also got some tints for this inner part of the taillight. Again, these are the reverse lights. I think again, I haven't seen this on a car before, at least when it's in reverse, but I don't think this gets too dim. Again, it really just is kind of at first glance, but the light still beams plenty of light. They're quite bright even at night. So yeah, but guys, got a little bit of poke. I'm telling you, right when we find the right wheels, when we get them ordered, I'm really excited to have a little bit more wheel kind of poking out. That's one of the things I'm super stoked for. But back to the subject, we're also going to be addressing, as you go over to the front of the car, we're going to be addressing these. These I might be a little hit or miss. As you may know, the car has paint protection film. I know I have to get it replaced because of this scratch. Which is fine because it's only in the film, but yeah, we'll still be doing the tints. If I have to order more, I may, but for now I'm really kind of excited to see what this reflector delete will do. I need to go into OBD11 or some kind of aftermarket tool to get rid of the little light that beams when these lights are on. I think that'll really kind of hide the orange well. So aside from that, we have of course the visor cover as well, and I am so excited to get this underway. As you guys can see, this is the Badgeskins package. They really go above and beyond when it comes to their design. It really stands out, and again, it adds to kind of the experience when you purchase these. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start, and I'm going to actually wrap up, so you guys might be able to see. I can actually do one side and we'll get a nice comparison. We might even have enough light where we can pull it out and sort of see. So the next thing we're going to address right there is going to be the inner parts of these taillights. We'll get the reverse lights all tinted, and hopefully we'll have a nice before and after. They don't really label these, but that's not a big deal. It's something we can definitely kind of go with, and I'm sure, you know, if you get one side on, it really doesn't matter. It's something you could probably work with and make happen, make work. So get it nice and clean. Even this under area, get a little bit of concave to these taillights, which really adds to the design, but makes cleaning them a little bit of a hassle. So it's gonna take a little bit of trying. I haven't obviously done this type of application before, but I had these exact ones on my US spec taillights on the Golf R. So I'm relatively used to it. Again, the lights are completely different, but you kind of do get the idea. And I'm gonna say it does something like this. So looks like that's pretty on there. Now, Badgeskins has really improved their product line. They actually offer a squeegee with a little bit of I guess a soft microfiber material, so you don't really have to worry about scratching it, although in this case we're just kind of addressing the back plate. Bada bing. New light. It's a completely new light. Oh, check that out, guys. I'm a fan. I am a fan of that. That's before, and that's after. Wow. All right, cool. I am a big fan of that, let me tell you. And again, it breaks up the lighter colors. As you guys know, with any car, getting rid of any light, silver sections, whatever, will really help improve the rear end. Now, once I get my new Audi badges, I did order new ones. We got a new RS3 badge and a new Audi ring, so those will be gloss black, and it'll really help tie in the rear end of this car. So pretty excited about that. All right, so let's get the edge of that. Edge kind of my Cool thing is if you do it, whatever's left of my fingernail, if you do kind of the tip up to your finger, you can kind of see where to align it. Start there. It looks like it'll probably seat. Let's just see. Kind of push it out to the edge, because I know I probably have some extra. Yeah, something like that. What do you guys think? We are kind of fighting the backing just a little bit, but it's pretty on there. So you know what, I'll call that good. It doesn't need to be perfect, as long as it's kind of blocking most of it. All right, nice. These bubbles shouldn't be a huge issue because we can hit them with some heat. Maybe try to knock those out. And then, that's pretty damn good job, Pete. All right, guys, we got the whole rear end done. I'm very happy with it. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you guys think, but I think it looks really darn good. Kind of just, you know, again, it gets rid of unnecessary colors. I don't know about you, but if you're OCD like me, it's got to be like, you know, one color, and you know, we got the blue and the black. I think that's all we need. You know, it's kind of funny. I'm not sure what the last owner used for badges. I want to say this is aftermarket because we got bubbling. I don't know what that is, but this is not long to stay. We're replacing that. We're replacing this. It's like he like painted over it because there are gloss parts that are underneath these rings, so I have no idea. It also looks like it's a little off center. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like lifting. It's so minor, but someone like myself, I see it a lot. But guys, as we're kind of at the back of the car, obviously we got a gloss black, blue, silver. That's not long to stay, but I'm thinking I need to find it. I'm looking on eBay almost every day for an Aura blue paint matched spoiler. I want to say it's got to be something like this. Kind of does that wraparound. I don't know. We'll see. Wish me luck, fellas. Something like that. Wow. That's not half bad, guys. That is not half bad. That ain't bad. You know what? I think I could get around to it. Yeah, that ain't bad at all. You know, it's a little daunting because, you know, it is a big piece of vinyl. So, you know, you are introducing a little bit extra to the car. But if you do it right, like I'd like to think I did, that ain't half bad. That isn't half bad at all. That's what it looks like before, and that's what it looks like after. It's tough with these headlights, guys, too, because, you know, bear in mind the orange part's so tucked in there. I mean, it really does do a good job at hiding it. So if that's your end goal, if you just want to just get rid of it, put this on here. You know, get rid of that orange. It doesn't look good anyway. So yeah, I like that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I had it on the Golf R. It's different because the Golf R is just, it's smaller. It's kind of easy to kind of tuck away. But I don't hate it. You know, it's not that bad at all. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments on that. But I don't think it's half bad. If I had endless money, it would be E-Code headlights any day. I think the E-Code headlights just look so darn good in these cars. Yeah, I would have to do that, but I'm liking it. It's coming together real nicely. It really, really is. So I think last but not least, obviously we have to address the other headlight, but so I don't bore you guys, let's throw these on the visor. This is necessary. All right. Alrighty. So you guys can see that. That's gonna go away. The other side has it too. I don't know if you can see. Focus, 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 focus. Boom. Low light to the rescue. So I'll throw these on. I don't think the camera's gonna be able to really kind of get it, but you guys get the idea. This is what it looks like. That's gonna be covering it. It's gonna look good. Ka-chow. Man, I'm good at this. Boom. Oh, mwah. There you go. You kind of get the idea. I don't think I can fold it. Yeah. Just like that. Now it's upside down. That's what matters to me more than anything, is that it doesn't look ugly. It was ugly before, and now it's no longer an ugly duckling. So we're getting through it, guys. All right, so let's start at the back. Quite frankly, I am probably the most satisfied with the back. It just looks so much better. And we got rid of that red. It's just, it didn't fit the car. It needed to go. They both came out, just both sides just came out so nice. I'm super happy with that. So I'll tell you one thing, I don't know if I'm in love with the front. It got rid of, mission accomplished. It got rid of the orange, but I'll tell you, Badgeskins had a huge task of hiding the orange, and it's not an easy thing to do. They did a great job of it. I don't see it. Now the downside is, you guys can see that light. You got to figure out how to program that light off. But the downside is, I kind of feel like I gave my car a black eye. So I'll probably keep it on the car, but as it is the cheapest way to get rid of that ugly orange